Hello everyone, today I will be reviewing the IYEE Nature Queen mattress. This mattress comes in a box. When open, allowed 72 hours after opening the mattress will return to queen size. This 10-inch queen size mattress features a 2.5-inch gel memory foam layer, 2-inch comfort layer, and 5.5-inch high density base support foam for ultimate comfort. This all-foam bed design conforms to your body for optimal pressure, relief, and support. Specialized foams reduce motion transfer so your sleep is undisturbed. This queen mattress has memory foam that is conducive to continuous airflow and breathable, while our skin-friendly fabrics adapt to the environment to keep the mattress surface at the ideal sleeping temperature. This memory foam mattress is suitable for various frames, such as box springs, adjustable beds, or slated bases. After 72 hours, our mattress came to its queen size. Another thing I love about this mattress is that it has a removable cover, which makes it easier to keep this mattress clean and fresh. Also, this mattress doesn't have glass fiber, which was very important to my family's needs.
Okay, so I have unrolled the mattress an hour ago, and it was way like flatter and disformed towards the ends. At first it looked scary, but now it is becoming more plush, and look at how it's supposed to look. I was worried at first, but it is very comfortable, you guys. Like, oh, it's very comfortable. I'm satisfied. Very satisfied.
Actually found a pretty good deal on it. I'll put a link to that in the comment below so you can check that out, interested in picking one up for yourself.